Ang normal na nangyayari po after hindi ma-serve ng warrant and even if several times hindi ma-serve ng warrant, i-archive yung kaso. Kasi nga hindi dumadating yung ano, yung akusado. So parang kumbaga matutulog yung kaso. I mean, of course they can still serve the warrant later on, but the standard will be again reasonableness. Reasonable ba yung araw-araw mong binubulabog o linggo mo binubulabog? Yung nakabantay kayo dun sa labas na under siege ang isang buong compound with several families living there. Hindi po yung akusado o hindi po yung subject ng mga warrant ang nakatira dun sa loob. These are other people. What about their rights? So, unusual dito and well, dapat nga ina-archive na yung kaso. It's something I think that they are truly against. Na natatakot sila na dahil nga hindi nila mahanap because of their own failure. Okay, I see this, it is not, wala, I cannot ascribe a fault on the part of KOJC kasi wala po akong nakikitang ebidensya na tinatago si Pastor. But what I see here is a failure of intelligence on the part of the PNP. And we're talking about intelligence in both senses of the word, ha? It's a failure to, di ba? Failure of investigation. Failure hindi kayo marunong mag-imbestiga, hindi kayo marunong maghanap ng ebidensya. Huwag naman kayong mag-violate ng karapatan ng ibang tao. And then suddenly somebody gets this genius idea that, he's under a pile of concrete. Pero nadidetect nila yung heartbeat. Sige, okay, I admit that science fiction can come into play in here. Pero they have no standard of reasonableness. Right now, even the heartbeat they're not even sure about that one. So again, by any standard, this has gone off the rails already. And I don't know who's going to survive at the end of this, whose career is going to survive at the end of this.